Some high rods. Hey, here's the 283. I've cleaned it up a lot. Used the laser machine on it. Say hi, Luna. A couple of freeze plugs were bad, but check this out. I didn't remove them before, and look at all that. Definitely gonna get all that packed in dirt out of this block. Here's some big chunks that came out earlier. Anyway, the way I'm taking these freeze plugs out is I'm taking a screwdriver and a hammer, and I'm trying to dent this in so that it collapses some, so that the seal around the edge is not so much, and then I can hit the edge, tap it out, and pull it out. This was that one that I pulled out just earlier. This is from the other side. And actually this freeze plug was like this. It was rusted out. So it's a good thing I'm getting to these, taking care of them. But man, that engine's gonna look nice, man, when I put a nice fresh coat of paint on it. Thanks for watching. Please follow the rest of the build. Right, Luna? Bye. Fast forward hour or so later, all the freeze plugs are out. This is the mess that's on the ground. Look at all the stuff that I blew out of all the coolant passages. I'm gonna see what kind of solvent or spray I can spray down in there to loosen the rest of what's in there up. But yeah, those there is an awful lot of garbage, sorry for the fingers, in the coolant system. So lesson learned, pull the freeze plugs even if they don't need it. Blow it out, dry it out, clean it out. Thanks. So I did fill the coolant passages up with some muriatic acid and let that soak, neutralized it, and now I am blasting the remnants of all the dirt out of the coolant passages. What I wound up doing was using some Gorilla Tape, the same people that make Gorilla Glue, and I stuck that tape and cut little pieces and covered all the coolant holes that are on the deck surface of the engine. I taped up the freeze plugs. I taped up the water pump mounting and coolant passages. I left 2 passages open on the side of the block. So I filled the block with muriatic acid. I let it cook for 15-20 minutes. Just let it sit there and kind of see if it would work some of that crap loose in there. It did. But if you wind up doing this, make sure you do it someplace where you're not gonna hurt anything. I did it on my driveway and didn't really hurt anything, but it kind of brightened the concrete a little bit. Have plenty of baking soda ready to neutralize the acid. I mixed baking soda up in a bucket of water, and I wound up pouring it into the coolant jackets and over the driveway. Hey, stay tuned and see the finished result at the end of this video. Thanks.